Do you think that an 8-hour shift or even a double shift will make you rich? Yes, that will earn you money for your basic everyday needs and some savings, but that's it. Everyone wants to live a well-off life, but you can't be wealthy enough to do so just by working a job or two. Whether you have low, decent, or high pay, you wouldn't get anywhere if you don't have the skills to handle money. If you want to be a future billionaire, you need to know that you shouldn't work for money. Money should work for you, and learning how to pull off this trick is the way to have your finances and wealth status up. Welcome to Wealthy Wisely channel. Today, we're going to be sharing you 8 basic money skills. The earlier you know, the wealthier you become. 1. Assess your assets and liabilities. Before you spend money on something, try classifying first whether it's an asset or a liability. If it's a liability, you might want to rethink about your decision, as it's not something that will benefit you in the long run. Liabilities include debts, loans, and even a car. Driving a luxurious Ferrari will cost you the warranties, repairs, and not to mention that it depreciates in value year by year. Using your money on assets is the wisest choice. Invest in assets like authentic gold jewelry, properties, or stocks, since they accumulate value over time, unlike good for boasting high-end cars. 2. Saving some money won't make you rich. You can't get wealthy by saving up money in the bank. It's only an assurance that you have money to spend for unforeseeable events. Small money in the bank means you will get an interest of a cent. That's why it's better if you find ways on where to invest it with high returns. You can start by purchasing stocks, but be sure to pick wisely on what company you think will succeed. Although saving up won't get you anywhere besides securing a bit of money for emergencies, it's still recommendable, as you can have on-hand money for once-in-a-lifetime business opportunities or other investment offers. 3. It's not about spending less, it's about earning more. A comfortable and wealthy life isn't cutting off on your daily expenses and working around a tight budget. If you think you need to spend less, then you really just have to earn more. There are several opportunities for you to make money, whether by boosting your productivity in your job to score a raise or upgrading your business to have wider opportunities. Besides your primary employment, side hustles are good for extra income too. 4. Spend wisely. Everyone knows that you should spend your money wisely. To do this, start by planning on how you will spend your monthly income. Elizabeth Warren made a 50-30-20 rule in budgeting, where 50% should go on your needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on investments. It's a good rule to help you focus on providing your needs, making room for your desires, while putting your money on investments that will multiply in the future. 5. Utilize other people's money. Banks give you interest for a reason. You're not only entrusting your money to them, but you're basically lending them or their clients your money. This is why you should access loans that are sustainable for you or your business. For example, if you want to upgrade and expand your shop, take a loan that you know you can pay for. Once your business expands, you get more opportunities to sell your product or service, thus being able to pay the loan and getting higher income as well. 6. Tax is not scary if you know how to take it back at the end of the day. Tax will work for you if you want to. Use it to your advantage by learning about how tax works in your region. A popular example is a retirement plan. You pay for it monthly, and although you don't enjoy the benefits at the moment, you will still get it soon. It's also beneficial to work on your retirement plan and start it young. Soon enough, the compound interest will pay and earn in your place. 7. Money can be duplicated even if you're not moving an inch. The smartest move to do with your money is to always invest or make passive income. You don't even have to lift a finger once you get a hang of it. Investing in stock markets or being wise with cryptocurrencies are just some examples. If you have enough money, you can start a rental property. Just live your daily life while your tenant pays you their monthly rental fee. Be careful though. Don't be tricked by sketchy investments. 8. Don't revolve around money. The world today revolves around money and making money. However, that's not ideal at all. No matter what job you're in, quality is still preferred over quantity. No one would pay for services if you're known for the quick but sloppy jobs. Rather than piling up your work, do it one at a time and do your best. This will open more opportunities for better jobs, as they can see that you are doing great at that particular thing. It may feel like a need to get all the work that you can, but it's always better to excel at one job than none at all. Now that you are familiar with the way of billionaires, it's time for you to apply it in your real life. There's no better time to start but now. The earlier you live with these ways, the earlier the cozy life of a moneymaker will come to you.